Another interesting feature here, it's not about destinations, but it's about monitoring. And of course, you can enable or disable your monitoring, but as well, you can monitor through the color. What does it do? It sends your input to the color. So if we will select orange here, 1, 2, and we switched 1, 2, as you can see, the audio is appearing as well on orange. And you may ask, why I need this? And I have an answer. So for example, if you turn off output here, it's not audible on main output, and this audio is going to orange. And as you can hear, I already have a low cut filter. And this gives you ability to record your regular sound, but apply effects instantly meanwhile it's recording. So better to show this, I will just enable to record to orange, and I will switch to reverb here. Right? Just simple one. 1, 2. And you can hear the reverb. But when I will click record, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's recorded, and it seems like I recorded this with effect, but indeed it's not, because if I will disable the effect, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, it's just raw recording. This gives you ability to manipulate your audio in different ways, but to keep your source the same as it was recorded without any needs to undo, redo, or whatever.